Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about case studies. Oh god, I hate this one. So a case study is basically something which is prepared for a client. Now, when it comes down to it, this is usually a study of how a company has worked with other companies in the past. So what they would do is gather information, quantifiable data, and they put it all together in a nice pretty looking thing with lots of nice little infographics so that people can easily see what they've done, how they've done it, and they've got a little bit of information on what you can do for somebody else. So usually these will be with companies that are very similar. So let's say you've worked with 3 IT firms, you've increased their website analytics, you've managed to get more people to come to their business, you've made it so that you can track different people that have come to businesses, things like that. All of the information on what you have done for another company which has made them successful and helped build their brand, make them strong, that's going to be put down in a case study. And if a company, if you're somebody who's a business owner and somebody comes to you and they're like, hey, I've worked with like 20 of your kind of businesses, I've always managed to be successful, a case study is a great way to sell your service to them, because it says, hey, these guys have got some experience, they're able to do this. Now, a lot of the time, unfortunately, with certain situations, I've come across scenarios where marketing firms have lied about analytics and things like that. So case studies cannot be always like something you can always rely on. However, if you're doing things honestly, case studies are absolutely brilliant, and they're a great way to sell. They're a great way to sell your service. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. You have a lovely day. Bye.